I'm Chance Chrisman. This is Blaze. And this is Nova. Welcome to the Chrisman Farms. I'm a fourth generation farmer and rancher. I own Chrisman Woodworking. I started that in 2016. Then I have cattle as well, and then a farm. Me and Dad run our mama cows together, and then we also have first calf heifers together as well, and we have replacement heifers too that we just things vaccinated that we will AI here at the end of summer. My freshman year of high school, I took one woodworking class, and the janitor at McCool, his name's John Smith, and he's a very good woodworker, very talented, and he's the one that helped me on a lot of my projects and taught me a lot of things, and made it kind of fun to build something with your own hands. And I didn't really do anything with woodworking until I did a little bit, like here and there, and then in freshman or sophomore year of college I kind of got into it more, and then these last couple of years I've really got into it, and I just really enjoy it as a side hobby along with my cattle and farming and stuff like that. So a lot of the orders I get, they're either wall decor or dining tables, coffee tables, side tables, bar tops, stuff like that. Oh, I'm my own boss, because I don't like being told what to do. Because growing up, my brothers always bossed me around and made me do the stuff they didn't want to do, so it's nice being able to do whatever I want to do and not be told what to do. So